Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how to get free pictures for your website. So let's say you have a website like a WordPress website, a Shopify website, an Instagram page, a Facebook page, and you want to download pictures. You want to use free pictures that you won't get copyrighted for. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. So I'm going to show you 4 different websites whereby you can download these pictures and use them freely without being in trouble for anything. The website states it that is free to use for commercial use and also for personal use, so you can monetize your website and still have this picture running and you wouldn't be in trouble. So let's get into the video. So the first website I'm going to show you is called Fiifi-A. I'm going to have the link in the description so you guys can go straight to download it. You don't need to log in or sign in, but if you want to download high resolution pictures, you will need to sign in. It's free, completely free to sign in. So let's say you found a picture that you like. So I'm gonna scroll through. So I like this picture here. If I want to download the full resolution like this one, if I need to download the 6000 by 4000, I'll need to sign in or create an account. But if I want to download, let's say 1920 by 1280, it's fairly simple. You just click download, click on I am not a robot, and click download, and as you can see, it's downloaded right there. I'm gonna open it so you guys will see. Yes, there it is. It's full resolution. As you can see, it's high resolution picture. Next thing I'm gonna show you guys is the second website. So the first website is Fiifi-A.com. I'm gonna have it in the description also. So the next website I want to show you guys is called StockSnap.io. So it's StockSnap.io. I'm gonna have the link also in the description so you guys can just click on it and immediately download the pictures. So this is also a free stock photos website, so you can just download almost any picture here without being copyrighted for. So let's find a picture that we like and download it. So let's say I like this camera picture. It looks like it's a Nikon. So if you want to download this picture, you like it, there's some nice pictures here too. You want to click free download, and then it just downloads straight to your phone, straight to your computer, sorry. So I'll wait for it to download and I'll click on it to show you guys. Yes, it is working. You can close out, and so that's basically it. If you want to download another picture, so let's say this one, that's a beautiful color. You want to click download again, same thing, download, and it's gonna download. I'm going to open it once it downloads. Here we go. As you can see, high resolution picture. Okay, so now let's head to the next website. So the next website is called Pixels.com. So I have the link also in the description, so you guys will just click on it and it takes you right to the page. So basically you can use these photos freely without any copyright issues from no one. It's free to use, free to monetize on your website. You can help out these websites by doing donations. So let's get into it. So once you find a photo you like, so I like this photo here with a tiger. I am going to download. You can click and choose the resolution you want. I'm obviously gonna download a high resolution. So I'm gonna hit free download, and boom, as you can see, it downloaded right here. I'm going to open it, and as you can see, it's beautiful, high resolution picture. As you can see, close out, beautiful pictures they have here. You can download any of them you want. Let's try another one. This is a nice one here. I like simplicity. I don't know why, it's just something about me. You could download a large, original, or custom sized, but I'll just download another one just to show you guys. And you can use it on your website, Shopify, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, wherever you want to use it. It's so good that you could just use it freely without being in any trouble for it. Close out that one. So yeah, we're gonna move on to the next website. So the next website is unsplash.com. I'll have the link in the description to make it easier. So you can download high resolution pictures also from here. You can use it on your website, Squarespace, WordPress, everything like I said earlier. So let's say you find a picture you like. I'm gonna click this one. So I want to download. I'll just click download free, and there we go. It just downloads instantly, and as you can see, it's just beautiful picture, high resolution. We can download another one. Here, this picture is beautiful. You can just free download, and then there we go. You could just use it freely on any website, anywhere you want to use it. So yeah, thank you very much for spending the time to watch. I hope you found this very helpful. Subscribe if you want to see more of these contents, and also like if you enjoyed the video. Comment below whatever you want me to show you guys or help you guys find out. So thank you again for watching, and see you in the next video.